Welcome the truepeopleofgod.com, the true image of the Lord Christ. We then delve into a question that has puzzled many: why lies with a white Jesus? We journey back to 1492, during the Renaissance period, when a contest between Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo Buonarroti was held. We journey back to 1492, during the Renaissance period, their task? To impress Pope Alexander VI, Rodrigo Borgia. By creating an image of his son, Cesare Borgia, to be used as the new global image of Christ. This deception was an attempt to keep the Israelite captives. Let's begin. John 8:32. And ye shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free. Proverbs 14:5. A faithful witness will not lie, but a false witness will utter lies. 1 Peter 4:11. If any man speak, let him speak as the oracles of God. If any man minister, let him do it as of the ability which God giveth. That God in all things may be glorified through Jesus Christ, to whom be praise and dominion forever and ever. Amen. Why the lies with a white Jesus? 2 Corinthians 11:4. For if he that cometh preacheth another Jesus, whom we have not preached, or if ye receive another Spirit, which ye have not received, or another gospel, which ye have not accepted, ye might well bear with him. Romans 1:25. Who changed the truth of God into a lie, and worshipped and served the creature more than the Creator, who is blessed forever. Amen. 1 Maccabees 3:48. And laid open the book of the law, wherein the heathen had sought to paint the likeness of their images. This global deception came into existence around 1492 during the Renaissance period, when there was a contest between Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo Buonarroti to determine who could make the greatest impression on King Rodrigo Borgia. Pope Alexander VI, by creating an image of his son Cesare Borgia, to be used as the new global image of Christ in an effort to keep the Israelite captives dormant so the Roman Empire could maintain a tight grip on its rulership. It is a well-known fact that Pope Alexander VI, Rodrigo Borgia, loved his favorite son Cesare Borgia, left, so much that he wanted a portrait of him produced to replace the original black images of Christ. Leonardo da Vinci, who won the contest, was commissioned by this Roman Pope to create the new model image of Christ to pass him off as European, right? Therefore, with the blessing of the Catholic Church, Cesare's picture was marketed and popularized as Jesus Christ throughout the world. The Catholic Church has therefore been deceiving the entire world into believing that this is the image of Christ when in fact it is Cesare Borgia, the beloved son of Pope Alexander VI. Who was considered as the most handsome man in Italy. Revelation 1:1. The revelation of Jesus Christ, which God gave unto him, to show unto his servants things which must shortly come to pass. And he sent and signified it by his angel unto his servant John. Revelation 1:11. Saying, I am Alpha and Omega, the first and the last, and, what thou seest, write in a book, and send it unto the 7 churches which are in Asia, unto Ephesus, and unto Smyrna, and unto Pergamos, and unto Thyatira, and unto Sardis, and unto Philadelphia, and unto Laodicea. Revelation 1:13. And in the midst of the 7 candlesticks one like unto the Son of Man, clothed with a garment down to the foot, and girt about the paps with a golden girdle. Revelation 1:14. His head and his hairs were white like wool, as white as snow, and his eyes were as a flame of fire. Revelation 1:15. And his feet like unto fine brass, as if they burned in a furnace, and his voice as the sound of many waters. Why the red eyes? Genesis 49:12. His eyes shall be red with wine, and his teeth white with milk. Daniel 10:5-6. Then I lifted up mine eyes, and looked, and behold a certain man clothed in linen, whose loins were girded with fine gold of Uphaz. His body also was like the beryl, and his face as the appearance of lightning, and his eyes as lamps of fire, and his arms and his feet like in color to polished brass. And the voice of his words like the voice of a multitude. 1 John 4:2-3. Hereby know ye the Spirit of God, every spirit that confesseth that Jesus Christ is come in the flesh is of God. And every spirit that confesseth not that Jesus Christ is come in the flesh is not of God, and this is that spirit of Antichrist, whereof ye have heard that it should come, and even now already is it in the world.